If you've been researching AI video tools recently, there's a very good chance you've come across Invideo AI. It seems to be everywhere right now. Whether it's YouTube reviews, TikTok videos, affiliate marketers, faceless YouTube channels, or business owners looking to create content faster, Invideo AI has become one of the most talked about AI video creation tools on the market. But whenever a software tool gets this much attention, I always ask the same question. Is the software actually that good, or is the marketing simply doing its job? So in this review, I want to answer the questions people are genuinely asking before they spend money. What does Invideo AI actually do? How much does it cost? What are the biggest strengths? What are the biggest weaknesses? Who is it best suited for? And ultimately, is it worth paying for in 2026? And stick around, because later in this video, I'll show you something that could potentially be worth more than a discount code if you're serious about using Invideo AI to grow a business, build an audience, or generate income online. Now, at its core, Invideo AI is designed to help people create videos faster. Instead of opening traditional editing software and building a project from scratch, you simply tell the AI what kind of video you want to create. The platform can then generate the script, voiceover, visuals, subtitles, music, transitions, and much of the editing automatically. The goal is simple: reduce the amount of time and technical skill needed to create content. And honestly, that's probably the biggest reason the platform has become so popular. For beginners, it removes a lot of the complexity that normally comes with video production. You don't need expensive editing software. You don't need years of editing experience, and you don't need a powerful computer because everything runs in the cloud. Now, when it comes to features, Invideo AI is actually pretty impressive. You can generate videos from simple text prompts. You can create AI voiceovers in different languages and accents. You can clone your own voice. You can use AI avatars depending on your plan. You can access stock footage, AI-generated visuals, automatic subtitles, translations, templates, workflows, and various AI tools designed to speed up content creation. One feature that stands out is the workflow system. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering where to start, you can choose from workflows designed for YouTube videos, short-form content, advertisements, social media videos, product promotions, business content, and faceless YouTube channels. For beginners, that's a huge advantage because it gives you a starting point immediately. Now, one thing I think is important to discuss is who this software is actually for, because not every tool is designed for every person. If you're a content creator, affiliate marketer, business owner, course creator, freelancer, social media manager, or someone looking to create content consistently without hiring a team, then Invideo AI makes a lot of sense. But if you're a professional editor who wants complete creative control over every frame, every transition, and every effect, then you may still prefer traditional editing software like Premiere Pro or Final Cut. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is one of the biggest questions people have before buying. At the time of recording, Invideo AI offers 4 primary plans. The Plus plan starts at around $20 per month and includes 75 credits. The Max plan is around $100 per month and increases your credits to 390, while also unlocking additional storage and features. The Generative plan is around $200 per month and includes 800 credits. And then there is the Elite plan, which is around $1,000 per month and is mainly designed for agencies, large teams, and creators producing content at scale. If you choose annual billing, you can reduce the monthly cost significantly. But honestly, my advice is simple: start small. There is no reason to jump straight into one of the expensive plans until you understand how many credits you're actually going to use. And that brings us to what is probably the most talked about aspect of Invideo AI, the credit system. Because the reality is that you're not really paying for the software. You're paying for credits. Every AI generation uses credits. Longer videos use more credits. Premium features use more credits. Higher quality generations can use more credits. And if you're creating content regularly, those credits become the most important thing to monitor. For casual creators, this usually isn't a problem. But if you're planning to create lots of content every single day, you'll want to pay close attention to how quickly those credits disappear. That's why I always recommend using the platform for a while before upgrading to larger plans. Now let's talk about the things I genuinely like about Invideo AI. The biggest advantage is speed. It can reduce the amount of time needed to create videos dramatically. What might have taken hours using traditional software can often be completed in a fraction of the time. It's also incredibly beginner-friendly. The learning curve is much smaller than traditional editing platforms. Everything is located in one place. Scripts, visuals, voiceovers, subtitles, music, and editing tools are all integrated into the same platform. And because everything is cloud-based, you don't need expensive hardware to use it effectively. Of course, no software is perfect. One of the biggest criticisms of Invideo AI is the credit system itself. If you're generating lots of content, credits can disappear faster than expected. Another issue is consistency. Sometimes the AI creates excellent results. Other times you may need to replace visuals, regenerate scenes, tweak scripts, or make adjustments before the video is ready. That's simply the reality of AI tools today. They're incredibly powerful, but they're not perfect. Another consideration is cost at scale. While the entry-level plans are affordable, heavy users can find themselves upgrading quickly as their content output increases. And finally, traditional editing software still offers more flexibility for advanced creators who need precise control over every aspect of their projects. Now, one question I see a lot is whether you can actually make money using Invideo AI. The answer is yes, but not because of the software itself. The software is simply a tool. The money comes from how you use the content you create. People are using Invideo AI for affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, lead generation, social media management, digital products, local business marketing, and online education. The platform helps you create content faster, but you still need a strategy for traffic, audience building, and monetization. And honestly, that's the part most people completely overlook. That's actually why I put together a creator resource package for people who decide to get access through my link. Because creating videos is only half the battle. Getting people to actually see those videos is where the real challenge begins. Inside, you'll get the 24-hour ranking system, which shows you how to get videos ranking on YouTube and Google faster. You'll get List Prodigy, where I show you how to build an email list using AI. You'll get AI Content Mastery, which teaches how to create digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, and mini courses. You'll also get access to over 90 Make Money online courses covering affiliate marketing, SEO, e-commerce, digital business, video marketing, and much more. And finally, you'll get my 10-day Invideo AI training series designed to help shorten the learning curve and get you creating content faster. So what's my final verdict? I think Invideo AI delivers on its main promise. It helps people create videos faster. For beginners, content creators, marketers, and business owners, that can be incredibly valuable. Is it perfect? No. Does it completely replace traditional editing software? No. But that's not really what it's trying to do. If your goal is speed, simplicity, and creating more content without hiring a team, then Invideo AI is definitely worth considering in 2026. My recommendation is simple. Start with a smaller plan. Use it for a month. Track your credit usage. Create real content, test your workflow, and then decide whether upgrading makes sense. That way you're making a decision based on actual experience rather than marketing. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, you'll find everything linked below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.